indicator. Off.
On, yeah.
Off. Off.
Off.
By 300 meters we make the on.
Okay.
300 meters. Here.
Okay.
Here we make it on. Indicator. By 300. Then comes 200. Then comes 100. And that's the information. The information given early enough. Yeah, side look was missing on the right.
Side.
Yeah. Side look. Also a very important check. We take the exit Lichtenbroich, Abflug, departure.
Which one? Okay.
And we take the next exit, Lichtenbroich. City. Right. 50 here, no?
50, yeah.
City is 50.
Yeah.
And we turn right, please. In front of the lamp, turn right. Yeah, good way, no? Really important. Really 50.
Yeah, 50, yes. Yes, I know.
We take the first exit and then look, please, and pay attention. Not 20, 30.
50, yeah, 50.
Yeah, well, you break then.
Really get the set.
The reason for breaking I don't understand. By 20 then, no? The first to get out. Yeah, you have a given wayside. What meaning? You have made the high beam on. You have made the high beam on. The blue light. That's the indicator. Indicator is up and down, yeah, and high beam is in front on the back.
Okay.
Yeah. Say that. No.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's the wrong line, no?
Yeah, I saw this before straight, yeah. That's why I have to be on right, yeah.
You pump the gas and that's not nice. Why you make such things? You're looking only in the mirror, that's not good. Yeah, the side look is missing completely. Where's 100?
What was that sign?
There was a sign 100?
On the left, yes.
Uh-huh. Good.
That's why.
This sign you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no 80, no? Or what?
No, 80, yeah.
Why is stopping this and not this? Why is standing this sign?
Yeah, I know this from
this,
but
this.
yeah.
130, come on, 130, 130, come on, say that.
Very bad?
130, please.
Yeah, okay.
No. 130 and then switch a lane to left. Felbert, you drive too slow and that's dangerous. You block the other course.